Alright, live tayo mga ma'am sir. Live tayo mga ma'am sir, mama. Hello, what is up mga ma'am sir, mama? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going live. Happy Halloween. I am Ralph Cifra. I am a visual artist. I do custom repaints of toys, action figures, statues, and other collectibles such as Marvel Legends, Black Series, McFarlane Toys, ZD Toys, pa ba? Kaya marami pang iba. And if you have any questions, type nyo lang sa comments and then I will answer your inquiries or questions. Okay. Okay, live tayo ngayon. Comments. Alright. Hello sir, gandang gabi Lods. Happy Halloween. Ba't di lumalabas yung mga comments dito? Ayun, kakalabas lang. Ayun, ayos. So if you have any questions yan, pwede kayong mag-send ng message dito. Umiinom lang din ako ng kape. Okay naman yung audio ko tsaka video. Hi Sir Yo-Yo King. Okay naman yung video ko and audio. Uy, Sir Toys ni Doc, how are you, sir? Sabi niya, good PM, sir. Bago hair, ah. Yes, sir. New hair, sir. Pakita ko lang yung progress ng work natin, sir. Ito, sir. Hulkbuster ZD Toys na naka-prime ng black. Kasi gagawin natin tong camouflage. Di pa tapos, sir, eh. Di ba? Dami pa nakapila, eh. Yeah, marami tayong projects. Okay naman, Lods. Okay, nice. Tapos meron din tayong Batman na, ano pala to? DC Rebirth. And re-review natin to. Tsaka meron din pala ako nito. Kakabukas ko lang kasi nito, Heatwave. Yan. Heatwave. Teka lang ah. Kiklip ko na lang itong microphone ko para yan. Meron ako nito, Heatwave. Ito. Tapos ang gusto kong gawin dito, i-swap yung nila, ulo. Yan, swap yung ulo nila. So yung ulo ni Batman pupunta dito sa body ni Heatwave. Para magkaroon siya ng armor. Yan, so ganito. Ganito i-custom natin. Okay? Yan. Meron ba kayong mga questions about anything sa toys? So, kwentuhan lang tayo dito. Chill live. Okay. Ito, ganyan. Ito yung custom natin. Meron nga pala tayo i-discuss about yung custom repaint na contest ni Laruanan. Okay, so yun na lang pag-usapan natin. Okay. So start tayo mga 10 viewers para anong line yan, sir? McFarlane Toys. McFarlane Toys na Heatwave at saka Batman. If you combine them together, ang astig na astig na ang body na to para sa Batman. Papalitan mo lang yung ulo niya. Palitan mo ng Batman DC Rebirth. Mark Robinson, how are you, bro? So yan, 10. Okay, 10 na tayo. Sige, let's go. So magkakaroon, announcement lang. Nga pala, meron tayong 30,000 viewers sa YouTube. So, thank you very much, mga ma'am, sir, for always supporting me sa YouTube natin, YouTube journey natin. 30,000 subscribers. Whew. Ngayon, nasa, ano na tayo, 30, sana ba? 30,077. 30,077 subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. 30,000, grabe. Dami nun. Thank you. Yan, sige, didiscuss ko lang sa inyo yung mga gagawin natin for the toy custom repaint na contest. Ayun. So yun, thank you muna sa mga clients ko from all over the world. Canada, Ontario, Canada, New York, Phoenix, Arizona, Texas, Tennessee, Massachusetts, usually sa United States of America. And meron din sa Canada, sa Australia, and also sa local. Sa local, marami tayong clients din. So thank you very much. Yan, shout out to Yo-Yo King, shout out to Billy Bong, to Mark Robinson, shout out to my viewers right now. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment it down sa comment box so I can answer your inquiries or your questions. But right now, didiscuss ko yung contest sa Laruanan. If you want to join, please join. So yan, Laruanan will be having a custom repaint contest. Okay. Teka lang ha. Hanapin natin yung mga mechanics. Ito. Okay, so punta lang kayo sa Laruanan page. Ito yung Laruanan page. Tapos, punta kayo sa updates niya. So, sabi niya dito, calling all creative minds, artists 16 years old and above, win up to 5,000 cash prize. Register now. Laruanan Action Figure Custom Repaint Contest. Para sa mga taga Baguio, you can submit your entry sa Pugad ni Art Studio, La Trinidad, Benguet. National participants, LBC shipping, message us for details. Care, smile, and friendly. Alright, yan yung mga post niya, okay? Alright. So sabi dito, Laruanan Action Figure Custom Repaint Contest. Ang mechanics nito, unang-una mag-register. Register muna. Okay. 500 peso registration fee, pay via GCash. Laruanan merch for all participants. Yung 500 na yun, meron ka na doong merchandise, Laruanan merch. Registration fee includes tote bag, keychain, pins, and stickers. Tapos, gagamitin din yon para sa, kunwari, attend kayo ng exhibit. Kasi exhibit yung mga gawa nyo eh. Food during awarding ceremony at Pugad ni Art Studio sa Baguio City, La Trinidad, Benguet. Okay. Sa pangalawang step, choose an action figure. So, pwede kang pumili. ZD Toys ba yan? You can also choose ZD Toys. Sa ZD Toys, meron kang option Iron Man, Venom, Hulkbuster, kahit anong figure from ZD Toys. Usually Marvel ang kino-cover na ni ZD Toys. Tapos okay. Tapos, after ng registration, choose an action figure. So, Pwedeng ZD Toys, Funjoy, McFarlane Toys, Blockies. Sa Blockies, you can custom repaint a Transformers figure, Optimus Prime, Megatron, Shockwave, Soundwave, etc. Pwede ring art toys or designer toys na 5 to 8 inches. So yun, choose an action figure. After mo mag-choose ng action figure, pwede ka na pumili ng custom repaint na style. So dito, marami kang options. So pwede kang gumawa ng battle damage, weathering, diorama build, camouflage, comic book paint, metallic or chrome finish, neon or cyberpunk, vintage or retro, and abstract. Tapos meron ding glow or UV reactive. Yan, kayo na bahala pumili kung anong style na gusto nyo. Pero yun, kahit anong custom repaint na style pwede. Tapos pang-apat, submit your custom action figure on or before November 26, 2025. You can submit here. Unang-una, walk-in. Pwede yan sa Pugad ni Art Studio exhibit. Tapos, Mother Base sa Green Hills. Pwede nyo submit doon yung work nyo. 3rd floor, Shopsville. And sa LBC branch, SM North Ed sa main building. So, ang mga prizes dito, one grand prize winner na 5,000 pesos cash plus laruan and item and trophy. And 4 consolation prizes na 1,000 pesos plus laruan and item and trophy. So, yun yung mga mapapanalunan nyo dito sa contest natin. All custom repainted toys will be shipped back to the owners. Okay? So, yun, i-ship back yan sa owners. Ako yung magiging judge, and ito yung mga category natin. Criteria for judging: creativity and concept, originality of design and idea, unique interpretation of reimagining of the base toy, painting skill and technique, the use of shading, highlights, and weathering, if applicable, attention to fine details and overall craftsmanship, color choice and composition, harmony and balance of colors, effective use of contrasts, tones, and finishes, matte, gloss, or metallic, etc. And lastly, transformation and execution, degree of change from the original toy, simple repaint versus full transformation, quality of modifications, if any, sculpting, kit bashing, added accessories, and lastly, overall polish and completeness of the work. So, yun yung mga criteria for judging. Again, recap lang. Unang-una, mag-register. Pangalawa, choose an action figure. Pangatlo, choose any custom repaint style. Pang-apat, submit your custom action figure. So, that's it. 4. And yung prizes, 5,000 pesos in cash for first prize, and consolation prizes, 1,000 pesos plus laruanan item and trophy. Alright, so yun yung laruanan contest na gagawin natin, na ginagawa natin. Actually, kung gusto nyo na mag-conceptualize, pwede na. Tapos, kung meron kayong mga tanong, pwede nyo i-submit pwede nyo i-send yung message nyo kay laruanan. And do you have any questions about slow connection daw? Tingnan natin yung yung live natin. Yung mga nagko-comment kaya dito. Alright. Sige, comment lang kayo mga ma'am sir. Tapos, magre-resume na tayo sa work natin. Kamusta kayo? So, yun yung laruanan contest. If you want to join, please join. Super fun ng pagko-customize ng mga action figures. So, you can try to paint some figures. Just use the materials na available sa inyo. Available ang hero paints, available ang mga Bosnia spray paints. Pwede yan. Alright. Ayan, shout out to the viewers. Shout out to the viewers. Yan, tapos ito yung Batman natin and si Heatwave. So mamaya i-review natin to plus pag-combine natin. Meron din akong Juggernaut sa labas. Naka ano lang naka prime lang. Yeah. How are you? How are you, bro? Bartolo Flores, how are you? Yan, shout out. Sino pa tayo isa? Miguel Manuel Berrios, how are you? And ano ba yung mga nagawa natin dito? Ito. Yan, meron tayo nito. Batman Punisher na McFarlane Toys. Yan. Thank you very much, bro. Randy Patterson from Ontario, Canada. Yan, tapat lang natin dito. Okay. Tapos, ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon, si Overkill from McFarlane Toys. Christian Maranan, hello bro, how are you? Christian Maranan. Ito yung mga work in progress natin, Overkill. So, ang ginawa natin dito, flat black primer, tapos dry brush with gunmetal and steel. And then, white na dry brush sa chest. And then, fluorescent paints. And ma-achieve natin yung ganyang glow. Okay, pati dito sa likod. Okay, para siyang nag-glow. Tapos pag tinapatan natin yung blue light, nag-ano siya, nagre-reflect. Kaya lang ako blue light dito eh. Yan. Now, we are done with Overkill. We're almost done. Actually, konti na lang tayo. Dry brush na lang to ng gold and mga iba't iba pang finishes. Mga metallics. Okay? Yan yung mga work in progress natin. Yan, shoutout sa mga sponsors ko, Laruanan, Hero Paints, Blockies, Yolo Park, Savior Cool, Hobbyler PH, and Bro Depot. And thank you sa mga sponsors. Alberto Ortiz, how are you? Shout out. So yun. Meron pa ba kayong mga ibang mga questions about daming tao. Romel Calma, how are you? Guilford Gunn, how are you? Shout out to you, bro. All right. So yan. Yan ang mga ano natin. If you want to send some questions, pwede. You can ask me right now. Anything under visual arts, toy customization, logo design, client work, yan. Visual arts. Pwede natin sagutin yan. Yan. Kanina nasa SM ako. Nandun din pala si Sir Justin. Si Sir Justin Duerme of Just a Poptograph. Yan. Salamat sir. Yan. Shout out to Bro Dueño, how are you? Yan. Tingnan natin yung mga nakita ko sa Toy Kingdom. Yan, meron na silang Snorlax. Yan, if you want some Snorlax na blockies, punta lang kayo sa Toy Kingdom sa SM North the Block. Yan, Snorlax. Blockies, 2,199. Ang laki ng box. And also, they have Deadpool for 1,300 pesos. John Meadows, LBC. Sabi niya, ano po ang gamit niyo pang ship internationally? LBC. Alejandro Fratelli, how are you? El mejor. How are you, bro? Where are you from? And Blockies na Darth Vader, meron din doon sa Toy Kingdom. Blockies na Stormtrooper, meron din, champion class. And Blockies na Boruto, champion class. Ayan. Kanto? I think 1-3. Tapos ito, angas din ito, Transformers 1 Action Edition na Optimus Prime. And Time Machine from Back to the Future 3. Thank you po. Sabi ni Jen Meadows, thank you po. Alright. Welcome, sir. Alejandro Fratelli, Orlando, Florida. Oh, hello, bro. Thank you very much for your support. I am Ralph Cifra from Manila, Philippines. Greetings from Manila to Orlando, Florida. I think I already shipped a lot of toys in. I have so many clients there located there in the States, so Florida is one of them. I think I have 5 clients based in Florida. So really happy that I can provide custom repainted toys for you guys. And meron ding Jurassic Park na Jeep Wrangler kanina. Maliit lang to eh. Pero yan, sabi ni Sir PJ, shoutout to Sir PJ Pinoy Toy Review. Walang malaki nito. Pero pag may malaki, sige sir, sabihan kita. Tapos, nakakamiss to mga gandong figures, yung classic Batman. And sa mga mahilig sa diecast cars, meron doon na Lancer Evolution 7. I think this is 7. Evo 7 nga ba ito? Yeah, Lancer Evo 7. This is very nice. From Jada Toys. From the Fast and the Furious na franchise. So yun, happy Halloween. That's it. Any more questions? Do you have any questions about toys, visual arts? Shout out to Alejandro Fratelli. Shout out to you. You have an incredible talent. Keep it up, brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for your icons. Flex and fire. Flex and fire, bro. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. So like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Ralph Cifra there at the back. It's my YouTube channel. We have 30,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. If you want more toy custom repaint tutorials, I am uploading everything here in the YouTube channel archive. So if you want to watch, if you want to learn, please check out my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to do these things, wait, let me check. I have these. Hi G Glam, how are you, bro? Long time. This is for my client Randy John Patterson. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you for availing these. So if you want to learn how to do these things, these kinds of things, this one, you can check out my YouTube channel on how to do Deathstroke X Punisher. So all of the paint process, I record everything and upload everything to my YouTube channel. So first, let's recap on how I did this. Alright, this is the McFarlane Toys Deathstroke. And I painted the skull on his head armor and the chest to make it look like a Punisher armor. So first, you'll spray everything with Boston Flat Black. And then, where's my metallic paints. You can use gunmetal na water-based acrylic paints from Hero Paints. Thank you Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Yan. Hero Paints, sila ang super nice ng mga paints nila. Great coverage, ang ganda ng color range, sobrang daming choices na pagpipilian. So if you want to buy some Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee. 120 to 140 pesos per paint. I think 125 per bottle. Super affordable. Tapos after ng dry brushing, white naman doon sa skull. Then after that, leather brown and cargo brown sa mga pouches. Tapos after nun, blood effects red, warm red and blood red. Yan. Nakagawa kayo nito. Ayaw lang mag-focus eh. Hindi na mag-focus. So, ganyan na lang. Okay. So, something like this. Alright. Tapos ito yung mga primers na ginagamit ko. Ayan. Flat black and usually yan, flat black and flat clear. Ayan. So, dalawa. Pinaka-common na primers na ginagamit ko. And also for sale pala to mga ma'am sir, mga Battle Sisters. I have 3 Battle Sisters. Alright, what else? CT released a Daredevil figure. I imagine that in her hands it will look phenomenal. Oh wow. Yeah, CT Toys, bro. CT Toys just released a Daredevil. Yeah, I have some CT Toys here. But the Daredevil ones, I need to buy it from Shopee. Yeah, man. I need to buy that and then custom repaint that. Do you want that, bro? Do you want that, bro? Alejandro, I can make it for you and ship it to Florida. I can make it look like this. Wait. This one. Oh, focus. No, I can't focus, bro. Can you see that? No, it's too saturated. Can you see that? No, it's too saturated. Unfortunately, you can't see. I'll just send this to you so that you will have a reference on what to expect. Yeah, I did the Daredevil Mafex or Mafex. How do you pronounce it? Mafex or Mafex? All right. Yeah, how are you, bro? Just chill and talk about anything. I have a couple of minutes before I work. Oh, if you send me the address, we get to work. I send you the figures and you tell me how much it costs. Oh, hello, Diego Uribe. How are you? For the City Toys Daredevil. Wait, let me compute. That's around $180 shipped to you. That's including the shipping fee from Manila to Florida. I will outsource everything here in Manila. So if you want, I can buy it and do the comic book style of illustration and then send it to you. Just send me a deposit so we can do the so I can buy the figure via Shopee and then I'll work on it and then send it to you. I will update you as soon as the, the product arrives here. And then when I start the project, I will also update you uh, the work in progress photos. Oh, okay, it's good. All right, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I'll send you some images right now. I'll send you some images right now so you can see. Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you, bro, Alejandro Fratelli. Fratelli, yes. You're from Orlando, Florida. Okay. Are we friends? Alejandro Fratelli. I will add you, bro. I will add you. All right. Yeah, this is you, bro. This is you, right? All right. I'll add you. All right. I'll send the City Toys custom to you right now so that you will have a reference on what I did before. And then I just need a. Oh, you live in Florida right now, but you were born in Puerto Rico. All right. Shout out to you, bro. Puerto Rico and Florida. There you go, bro. I sent the city. I sent the Mafex Daredevil images to you, custom repainted figures to you. That will look similar. The City Toys will look similar to the one that I did before. So if you want that, let's do our project together. It's only 180 shipped to your door. I think you just need to pay a little bit of money for the taxes when the product gets there to the USA, and then that's it. You can claim your package via DHL office. Yeah, I don't know if they will. Yeah, I think DHL will ship it to your door after you pay the taxes of the customs. I don't know. It's just I don't know. I think that's the new rule. That's the new rule of shipping products to the United States.
Pwede bang paabot yung cake sa paper bag?
Yeah. Da?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
May nagluluto na naman. Yeah, bro. I think that's the new rule. Yeah, City Toys. Let's do it, bro. I'm really excited for our project. Did you receive the images, bro? I can also include a an artwork of Daredevil for you, something like this. Oh no, it's too washed out. Can you see this? All right. 180 USD. How much is that in peso? Around 10.5. Oh, not bad. 10.5. All right. All right. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Bro, Dueno. Uy, no. Bon Doctor, how are you? Yun, ano po si sir? Ayun, Sir Nomemon. How are you, sir? Yan, Sir Nomemon. Sir, thank you sa, sir, sa mga Armored Komodo paints na binigay niyo. Very thankful for that. Ginagamit ko yung, black primer. Is there any way na pwede ako mag-request ng mga, sir, ng mga paints from Armored Komodo? Is there any way that we can do that? Kasi meron din ako mga paints na gustong-gusto ko from them. So, is there a way that I can request paints and promote them? Yeah, just asking. I just want to know. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. I'm still live, so we can talk about this. Right. Yeah, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. If you like your city toys to look like that, then let's do it, bro. I'm talking to a client, a potential client named Alejandro Fratelli. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. Louis D. Hong, how are you? How are you, bro? Where are you from? So kanina nagpunta ako sa SM North and yun nga maraming releases sa SM North na mga toys. So specifically sa Toy Kingdom Express and Toy Kingdom sa SM North, The Block. Yan. So pinakamaganda yung I think top 1 ko yung Snorlax. Oh, he sent me the prices. All right, bro. Sabi ni Alejandro Fratelli. Alejandro Fratelli says, "Thank you for the photo. Send me the prices. I want the figure." All right, bro. It's 180 USD shipped to your. That's all in, bro. 180 USD shipped to your location, inclusive of the figure, the custom repaint, and the shipping. So that's 180 USD, bro. You can send the deposit via PayPal. I will send the PayPal account right now. Yeah, I already sent the PayPal account to you, bro. That's 180 USD. Yeah, bro. Just be to all of my customers. Thank you for your support and thank you for your patience. Thank you for your understanding. The work pipeline is very high, and I'm accommodating all of you guys. All of you guys are in line, so don't worry. I will paint all of your toys, custom repainted toys for you guys. Don't worry. All right, just send me a deposit, and then I will create project documentation for our project, the Daredevil, and then I just need a deposit of around 50 USD, and then I'll update you. I'll buy the figure, and then I'll update you, bro. Do you also want some McFarlane Toys Battle Sisters, or do you want any more City Toys? Maybe we can bundle everything together. Because City Toys has Agent Venom. I think that's the best City Toys. Agent Venom. Marcando, how are you? Agent Venom City Toys, I think that's the best one. Agent Anti-Venom na City Toys. Yeah, that's another great figure too from City Toys. And what else? Spider-Man, Wolverine. Wolverine, bro. Yeah, bro. I have a couple of City Toys here. So you have 185 CT Spider-Man, brown Wolverine City Toys. So if you want this, we can bundle everything together and ship them to you. City Toys, Ben Riley. I think this is Ben Riley. Oh, what's up, bro, Nicholas? How are you, bro? Shout out to Nicholas Lucero. He's my one of the very, very nice clients that I had. Thank you and shout out to you. Thank you for availing the McFarlane Toys Super. What's that line again? What's that line again? Oh my god, forgot. The uh, smaller sized McFarlane Toys, Batman, and oh, let's go, bro. Let's go. Painting a City Toys Batman. Let's go. City Toys for the win. I think this will be a City Toys night tonight. All right. I will take that. I will write everything down, and then let's do some documentation after my live. Okay? City Toys Batman. That's Batman Hush, right? Batman Hush. So this one is City Toys Spider-Man. I have Miles Morales. I have Ben Riley, and I have the brown Wolverine right here in stock. Yes, for sure, bro. Let's paint. Yun, superpowers. Yeah, superpowers. I have all the City Toys figures. Yes, bro. Thank you. Yeah, man. Let's do it for real. Snag one and shoot me a total, and I got you. All right, bro. Let's do it. Thank you. Thank you very much, bro, Nicholas. All right. All right. For me, yeah, man. For me, this is the best City Toys. The Agent Venom. Damn, look at that box. Do you also like the Mess Toys? This one is really cool, bro. Mess Toys. They have the ultimate neighbor with the spider legs, and the black one. This one's for my client. I just have the stocks. Black neighbor and black suit neighbor and ultimate neighbor. Mess Toys. All right, bro. Let me create a document for for you, bro. Nicolas Lucero and Alejandro. Thank you very much. I will write it right now. Bro Alejandro, I sent a friend request to you. I need to drink some water. All right. Yeah, men's toys. All right, let's go. Let's go, Tyler Lanier. I will add you as a friend, bro. Brother Alejandro, I added you as my friend. Please confirm. Thank you. Brother Nicholas, how are you? All right. Men's toys. Please check it out. Men's toys. They have the. It's just. I think it's like a City Toys. Whoa. All right. Yes, City Toys Gambit too. Yes, bro. Let's go. I will write it down now so that I will not forget. What's the date today? October 31. No, wala nang tinta. There's no ink. Yeah, bro. Tyler Lanier, how are you? Let's do it. Chuck Jr., how are you? Hafiz Ghani, how are you? All right. Okay, cool, bro. Chat later. All right. I'll send you some uh project proposal later. Okay. Thank you, bro, Nicholas. Take care. City Toys Batman and City Gambit. For all right, good, bro. Tyler Lanier. I'll search for you, bro. Tyler. Thank you for all of your support. Oh, what's your image? Oh, found you. All right. I just sent you a private message. So check your DM, bro. All right, now I cannot add you as a friend. Yeah, that's you, right? All right. Thank you. All right. Let me just write the increase, okay, for Alejandro Fratelli. City Daredevil, okay? All right. So for Tyler Lanier, let's go. Just send me a message if you are ready to do the customs, bro. All right. So anything, do we have any questions about custom repaints, about increase? What figures do you want? I can paint them for you. Okay. Prices starts at $150. Okay. Yeah, it looks like I can't add you either. Yeah, I will do. Just send. I check. I just sent a message to you, bro. You can check it in the spam folder or the message request folder. Yeah, I think that's it. Shout out to Gerardo Rivera. Yeah, kanina nasa SM ako. I got it, bro. Thank you, thank you. All right. So right now I got a returning client, Nicolas Lucero for City Toys Batman and City Gambit. Alejandro Fratelli, new client, City Toys Daredevil. Thank you very much. So if you want custom repainted toys, just hit me, bro. Just send me a DM. Tell me what toys do you want, and I will make them for you. Around 2 to 3 months waiting time because I have so many clients, bro. I have so many clients, so I'm really working. Uh, I'm really working on the figures. I'm really painting. I'm painting them during my free time. I always make time for this for unboxings, reviews, for uploading YouTube, for doing live streams like this. I really want to uh, give your I really want to make your custom figures, bro. I really want to make some custom figures for my clients, and in return they'll give me money, and then that money can be bought to upgrade my studio, keep the lights on, yeah, buy me some coffee. I really love coffee. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. Do you have any more questions, bro? If none, I need to go to work. So thank you very much. So last 1 minute, and then I'm out. Thank you for your support. So later, I don't know if you. Oh wow, thank you. Later, I don't know if you are going to have some live stream of. Yeah, yeah. All right, bro. Thank you. Thank you, bro. All right, just check your DMs and let's do the transaction via DMs. Okay, bro. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.